G'day friends, welcome back to this new video. Do you remember one of my previous reviews on the best microphones for beginners? Okay, after testing I can say that my tendency goes rather to... Well, it's time for an upgrade. Today I will be telling you about a budget-friendly shotgun that offers impressive quality. Let's talk about it after the intro. Let's go! As always, let's start with the build quality. The Comica VM20 is made from metal, giving it a sturdy feel. It definitely doesn't feel cheap. Despite the metal body, it's still lightweight and doesn't add too much weight to the camera. One of the things I love about this microphone is that it comes with a hard case for safe storage and transport. Along with that, you get a foam windscreen and a dead cat. Strangely though, the dead cat is a bit oversized, so you actually need to keep the foam on the microphone and then slide the dead cat over it. At first, I thought this might affect the sound quality, but we will get into that later. The hard case does a great job of protecting the microphone and it's easy to carry around. In the box, Comica also includes TRS to TRS and TRS to TRS cables, as well as a USB-C charging cable, so it's set up for both camera and smartphone creators. And this shotgun has a built-in 300 mAh LiPo battery. I haven't had to charge it yet, but according to Comica, the battery can last around 60 hours. That's more than enough for YouTube videos, vlogging, podcasts, or even larger video projects. On the outside, the Comica VM20 has a small display that lets you monitor the battery level. There are also a few physical controls, including the power button and a gain adjustment wheel. The VM20 has two low-cut filter modes, 75Hz and 150Hz, which can help filter out low-frequency noise based on your shooting conditions. A blue LED indicates which filter is active. If the LED is off, there is no low-cut filter selected. Let's talk about the sound quality. Right now I'm using the Comica VM20. If I speak from the left side or from the right side, I'm not sure if the audio clarity drops off, but it definitely sounds solid if you are directly in front of the mic. The audio is pretty reliable, isn't it? I also wanted to test how far away I can be and still get decent sound. Here you can hear the sound of this mic at a distance of 1 meter with constant speech volume. And here you can hear the sound of this mic at a distance of 2 meters with a constant speech volume. And here you can hear the sound of this mic at a distance of 3 meters with a constant speech volume. And if it's too far away from the microphone and the quality suffers, you don't need to worry, as you can adjust the volume sensitivity using the gain adjustment wheel. Alright, let's head outside to see how this microphone performs in a noisy environment. So here we are in an outdoor location, which is probably more like where you would shoot outdoor scenes. I haven't pulled over the dead cat yet, but let's try it out to see if there's any difference. Alright, the dead cat is pulled over now, but I will have to listen back to the footage to confirm if there's any difference or not. But of course we want to see if there's any big difference without the microphone, if the sound quality is still the same or not. So I will unplug the cable now and let's listen to it. Okay, I have unplugged the cable. Can you hear any difference? Okay, ich habe jetzt das Kabel abgestöpselt. Hört ihr irgendwelche Unterschiede? 我而家拉開咗條線，你哋覺唔覺有啲唔同呢？ Okay, let's wrap it up. I really like the Comica VM20. It comes with a lot of useful accessories and the sound quality is quite impressive for a microphone in this price range. If you are just starting out with YouTube or filmmaking, this shotgun is a great option. And for more experienced creators, it could be a solid backup microphone as well. For 140 bucks with all these extras and this level of quality, it's a pretty good deal. But I would also like to test other budget microphones like the VideoMic Go 2 to see how they compare. Alright, that's it. I hope this review helped giving you a good sense of this microphone. Do you have any other budget microphone recommendations? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear about your suggestions too. And as always, don't forget to CLS, comment, like and subscribe if you want. And if you haven't seen my video about which microphone is the best for beginners yet, you can check it out too. Link is in the description or the info card. And yeah, I guess it's time to say goodbye again. Thanks a lot and see you next time. Bye bye.